Hello everyone, welcome back to My Wasteland Workshop. Today we got some new parts in that we're going to put on the Mustang. We have a pair of struts and a new pair of control arms that we picked up off of eBay. We paid $140, $150 for the pair of struts, for both struts with the coils on them, and then complete control arms, lower control arms for the front for both sides. We paid about $115, $120 from eBay. So here we go. Alright, we have here the control arms out of the box and they look pretty good. Here's our front strut. As you can see, it's fully assembled and we got two of them. So we'll be able to do both sides. Out the door, we paid a little bit under $250, or a little bit over $250 for two control arms and two complete struts off eBay. Alright, so here, we're going to just disconnect the strut first. It's just this bolt here and this bolt here. 4 bolts on top and the strut, or the sway bar link right here. We're going to take that strut and we're going to get it out of the way, and then we're going to go after the lower control arm since we'll have room. Okay, so we got our new strut in. The control arm wasn't too bad. You got these two nuts here. You got one here and one on the other side. The one that was a problem, if I can see it, was this guy right here, right behind your rack and pinion. You basically have to turn the steering wheel all the way to the opposite side. That way you can move it out of the way. But other than that, it's not too difficult. For $250, we got new control arms, new struts, new springs. The car should be sitting a lot better now. Right. Hello everyone, welcome back to My Wasteland Workshop. In the earlier episode, we took care of our control arms and our struts. Today I took it over, had the alignment done. And now you're going to join me on a test drive through the mountains so we can test everything out. Hope you enjoy the video.